Hello everyone. Today we'll start with the most important topic called as mole concept. I hope you remember something about mole. Now before discussing what is mole, we shall see what we have done earlier. We have done mole is the SI unit of the amount of substance. So it is actually a quantity. It represents a number. Just like we tell 1 dozen has how many things of it? 12. So if I tell 1 dozen apple, I'll have 12 apples in it. If I talk about 1 dozen mango, 12 mangoes I'll have. So 1 dozen represents how many number? 12 number. Similarly, one pair has how many things in it? Two things in it. If I tell one pair of shoes, I'll have two shoes. If I tell one pair of a dress, I'll have two dress. Similarly, one mole represents a quantity and that number is very big and it's 6.022 10 to the power 23. And this number is called as Avogadro number, denoted by N, capital N with subscript as capital letter A. So mole represents a quantity and that quantity is 6.022 10 to the power 23. Now mole 1 mole is equal to how many particles? 6.022 10 to the power 23, which is written as Na particle, and the mass that it will occupy is equal to gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass. We'll discuss this ahead. What is GAM and GMM? And the volume of 1 mole is 22.4 liter. This is in short 1 mole. So 1 mole represents particular number of particles, which is 6.022 10 to the power 23, and it has a mass equal to either gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass, and the volume occupied by it is 22.4 liter. Now coming to the exact scientific terminology by mole. Now mole is the SI unit for the amount of substance, and its definition is it is defined as the amount of substance, the amount of particles or the amount of entities. Now what are the particle or substance indicated? These indicate atoms or molecules or ions. So it is defined as that amount of substance that are present in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. So in 12 gram carbon 12 isotope, how many particles are present? So let's see how many particles are present. Number of atom in 12 gram of carbon 12. So 12 gram per mole divided by 1.992648 10 to the minus 23 gram per atom. This is the mass of one atom. So this will give you 6.0221367 10 to the power 23 atom. So number of atom in 12 gram is 6.022 10 to the power 23. So 12 gram carbon 12 means 6.022 10 to the power 23, which is called Avogadro number. So 1 mole is defined as amount of substance that are present in 12 gram of carbon 12, and 1 mole has how many particles? 12 gram of carbon 12, and that is equal to 6.022 10 to the power 23, which is called Avogadro number. So if I talk 1 mole of atom, now I am discussing 1 mole kiska. 1 mole of atom has Avogadro atom. 1 mole ion will have Avogadro number of ion. 1 mole molecule will have Avogadro number of molecule. Similarly, 1 mole of electron means Avogadro number of electron. So 1 mole is defined as the amount of substance that are present in 12 ग्राम ऑफ कार्बन 12 आइसोटोप. तो ये एक नंबर है, बट ये नंबर बहुत बड़ा है, विच इज 6.022 10 to the power 23. So 1 mole represents Avogadro number. Now a term related to it called as molar mass. Molar mass is mass of 1 mole of substance. So 1 mole का mass क्या है? That is called as molar mass, and the unit is gram per mole. For example, if I talk 1 mole of water, 1 mole water has mass 18 gram per mole. That is its molar mass. So first term in mole concept that we have done is molar mass, because we know 1 mole will have how many things? 1 mole will have Avogadro number of things, and these Avogadro number of things will have how much mass? So that is called molar mass. Now, gram atomic mass and gram atom. So gram atomic mass is equal to the atomic mass, but the unit is gram. Normally atomic mass we wrote in the unit U. Now we'll write in G. 1 gram atom is equal to atomic mass in grams, or it will have 6.022 10 to the power 23 atom. That is the number of atom in 12 gram of carbon 12 isotope. So 1 gram atom has a mass equal to atomic mass, and it has Avogadro number of atoms in it. For example, 1 gram atom O will have mass 16 gram, and it is 6.022 10 to the power 23 oxygen atom. 1 gram atom sulfur is equal to 32 gram, and it also has 6.022 10 to the power 23 sulfur atoms. Now 1 gram atomic mass of any element contains the same number of atoms of that element as there are carbon 12 in 12 gram of carbon 12. 12 gram carbon 12 has 6.022 10 to the power 23. So 1 gram atom will have how many particles? Avogadro number of particles. And 1 gram atom will have how much mass? Atomic mass. So 1 gram atom has atomic mass in gram, and it has how many particles? 6.022 10 to the 23. तो इतने एटम का वजन कितना होगा? उसका एटॉमिक मास जितना होगा, और वो किसके इक्वल कहलाए जाएंगे? 1 ग्राम एटम के. सो नंबर ऑफ ग्राम एटम कैन बी कैलकुलेटेड. नाउ वी कैन डिराइव द फॉर्मूला. नंबर ऑफ ग्राम एटम is equal to mass upon gram atomic mass, and number of atom in the given mass is number of gram atom into Avogadro number. So these two formula are obtained from here. कितने ग्राम एटम है? 1 ग्राम एटम का वजन उसका एटॉमिक मास जितना होता है, तो x ग्राम में कितना ग्राम एटम होगा? सो x ग्राम अपॉन ग्राम एटॉमिक मास. एंड नंबर ऑफ atom in a given mass is number of gram atom into Avogadro number. 1 gram atom has Avogadro number of atom. So 10 gram atom will have how many atom? 10 into Avogadro number. So number of gram atom into Avogadro number. So this was gram atomic mass, that is GAM, gram atomic mass. Now we'll study molar molecular mass and gram molecular mass. So the sum of atomic masses of the atoms present in a molecule refers to its molecular mass. So molecular mass is nothing, it's the atomic mass of all the atoms that are present in a molecule. So for example, water का मुझे molecular mass निकालना है. I know the formula of water, that is H2O. 2 hydrogen atom, each hydrogen atom has a mass 1, so 2 into 1. 1 oxygen atom having a mass 16, so 2 plus 16, that is 18 U, that is a molecular mass. Next, carbon dioxide. How many carbon atom? 1. 1 carbon has mass 12, so 1 into 12 plus 2 into 16, that is 44 U. Now this is C6H12O6, which is generally called as glucose. It has 6 carbon, each carbon has 12 gram, so 6 into 12 plus 12 hydrogen with a mass 1, 6 into 16, oxygen are 6 and each has a mass 16, so 72 plus 12 plus 96, that is 180 U. So this is molecular mass, that is the sum of the masses of all the atoms that are present in a molecule. Now when the molecular mass is expressed in gram, it is called gram molecular mass. Molecular mass की unit U होती है, but gram molecular mass has a unit gram. So molecular mass in gram is gram molecular mass. Now the next term that will denote is molar volume. So volume of 1 mole of a substance under standard temperature and pressure is called molar volume. So the volume that a gas occupies when it is at standard temperature and pressure. Now what is the standard temperature? Standard temperature means the temperature is 273 Kelvin and standard pressure means the pressure is 1 atm. So when your gas is at 273 Kelvin 1 atm, the volume occupied by it is 22.4 liter and that is the volume of 1 mole. So any gas you take, any gas when it is at 273 Kelvin 1 atm, the volume is 22.4 liter and it will have 1 mole of the gas in it. So 1 mole of an atom has Avogadro number of atom and a mass equal to gram atomic mass, and if 1 mole of an atom is a gas, it will have a volume 22.4 liter. That is, 1 mole of an atom has 6.022 10 to the power 23 number of atom, which weighs to its atomic mass in gram and has a volume 22.4 liter at STP. So I can tell Avogadro number of atom is equal to how many mole? 1 mole. Or Avogadro number of atom has how much mass? It's gram atomic mass. Or Avogadro number of particle will occupy how much volume? 22.4 liter. So you can correlate all these terms. Similarly, 1 mole of molecule has Avogadro number of molecule, mass equal to gram molecular mass in gram and volume 22.4 liter. That is, 1 mole of a molecule has Avogadro number of molecules which has a mass equal to its gram molecular mass and it occupies a volume 22.4 liter at STP. So what we have discussed, what do we mean by a mole? How many particles would be present in a mole and what would be its mass and volume. So if I talk about 1 mole of helium, 1 mole of helium will have how many particles of helium? Avogadro atoms of helium and a mass equal to its atomic mass. Helium atomic number 2, mass is 4. So its atomic mass is 4U but gram atomic mass with the unit gram. So 4 gram is equal to 1 mole and 4 gram is equal to Avogadro number of atom. And if helium is at STP, it will have a volume 22.4 liter. Similarly, 1 mole of ammonia will have Avogadro molecules of ammonia and a mass equal to molecular mass, that is 17 gram, and volume 22.4 liter at S. Now let's discuss formulas which we have obtained from mole concept. So if you need to calculate the number of moles and if you are given with mass, so number of moles is represented by small letter n. So number of moles is given mass upon atomic mass or molecular mass in gram. अगर नंबर ऑफ मोल एटम का निकल रहा है तो गिवन मास अपॉन एटॉमिक मास, अगर नंबर ऑफ मोल मॉलिक्यूल का निकालना है तो गिवन मास अपॉन मॉलिक्यूलर मास, बट द यूनिट शुड बी इन ग्राम्स. Number of particle is given to us, then number of mole is equal to number of the particle present upon Avogadro number, because 1 mole has Avogadro number of particle. So x mole or how many particles will have x mole, so number of particle upon Avogadro number. Volume if given, number of mole is equal to volume of the gas at STP upon 22.4 liter, or volume of the gas at STP if it is in milliliter 22,400 milliliter. So 22.4 liter is equal to 1 mole. So X volume will have how much moles? X upon 22.4 into 1. So this is how you get the number of moles if mass is given, particle is given, volume is given. Next is number of particles. How to calculate the number of particles? Number of particle is equal to number of mole into Avogadro number. So number of mole upon into Avogadro number is number of particle. And how do you get number of moles? Given mass upon atomic mass, or number of particle upon Avogadro number, or volume of gas upon 22.4 liter. So if you get number of mole, multiply that by Avogadro number, you will get the number of particles. These are important terms. Now we shall see few questions. Calculate the molecular mass of the following: of Na2CO3. 2 sodium atom, each has a mass 23. So 2 into 23 plus 1 into 12 plus 3 into 16, that is 106. H2SO4, 2 hydrogen atom, each has a mass 1. Plus sulfur 1, 32 plus 4 into 16, that is 2 plus 32 plus 64, which is equal to 98. SO2, 1 sulfur atom with a mass 32 plus 2 oxygen with 16, so 32 plus 32, 64U. Na2SO4 dot 10H2O. Now you can see Na2SO4 you can find out. 10H2O means you have to add the water of crystallization mass to it. Each water has a mass 18, so 10 water will have how much mass? 180. So 2 into 23 plus 1 into 32 plus 4 into 16 plus 10 into 18. Even though here product is written as product water of crystallization dot, here you will write plus 10 into water molecules 18. So 46 plus 32 plus 64 plus 180, that is 322U. Now calculate the number of moles. How to calculate the number of moles? 3 gram of hydrogen. Now number of mole is equal to given mass upon gram molecular mass. By mole concept, we know that 1 mole of hydrogen is equal to how much molecular mass? 2 gram. So 2 gram is equal to 1 mole. I can write 2 gram of hydrogen is equal to 1 mole. Therefore 3 gram hydrogen is equal to x mole. So can you solve for x, which is equal to 3 into 1 by 2. So that is the formula, given mass upon gram molecular mass. Given mass is 3, molecular mass is 2. So 3 by 2, 1.5 mole. So this is how you calculate number of moles. 18 gram of C6H12O6, that is sugars, glucose. So N is equal to given mass upon molecular mass. When you find the molecular mass, that is 180 gram per mole, and given mass is 18. So 18 upon 180, that is 1 by 10, which is 0.1 mole. Now, I hope either you use the formula. Formula is derived from the concept. That is, I have written over here, 1 mole of hydrogen has a mass equal to its molar mass 2 gram. तो 2 ग्राम कितने मोल के बराबर है? 1 मोल. तो 3 ग्राम में कितने मोल होंगे? दैट यू आर सिंप्लीफाइंग एंड यू गेट द फॉर्मूला. व्हाट डिड यू डू? यू फाउंड फॉर x मोल. x मोल इज 3 इंटू 1 बाई 2. 3 क्या है? गिवन मास. 2 क्या है? मोलर मास. 1 से मल्टीप्लाई हुआ है. तो आपने पहले 1 ग्राम में कितने मोल आएंगे ये निकाला. 1 ग्राम में कितने आएंगे? दैट इज 2 ग्राम हैज़ 1 मोल. सो 1 ग्राम विल हैव 1/2. और फिर कितने ग्राम दे रखे? 3. तो 3 इंटू 1 बाई 2 में कितने मोल्स है वो आपने निकाल ही लिए. दैट इज 1.5 मोल्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज कैलकुलेट द नंबर ऑफ ग्राम एटम इन 216 ग्राम ऑफ Ag, that is silver. So number of gram atom is equal to mass upon atomic mass. Number of gram atom is actually a mole. Number of gram atom contains Avogadro number of atoms and it has a mass equal to its atomic mass. So number of gram atom is equal to given mass upon atomic mass, that is 216 upon 108. 108 is the atomic mass of Ag, which is equal to 2 gram atom. 10 kilogram of magnesium. Number of gram atom is equal to mass upon atomic mass 10 into 10 to the power 3. So we are converting, because we require gram, so we will convert kilogram to gram. So 10 kilogram is 10 into 10 to the power 3 gram. So 10 into 10 to the power 3 gram upon 24. That is 4.16 10 to the power 2 gram atom.